Hey guys, last Friday, a little bit of an error when we were talking about changing between sine and cos functions in our periodic functions. It was a lot easier. I'm not sure why we got off track, but we did. Let's put it down to Friday blues. Anyway, new week, all sorted. So let's have a look at our graph here. We've got our sine, basic sine function, sine of x in pink, and our basic cos function in yellow. And we already know, as we were chatting last week, that the difference between our two wavelengths is the distance of half a pi. So if we consider going from a sine function to a cos function, which is pink to yellow, so we're going pink back to yellow, it makes sense that we need to minus half a pi when it comes to our periodic or our phase shift, which is the C value. Okay, so we need to take the pink sine function and move the whole thing back a half of a pi. Okay, so when we're looking at those functions, we minus half a pi. Same goes if we consider going from a cos to a sine function, and on our graph, yellow to pink, we would need to push it forward half of a pi. So in that case, we need to add half a pi. So let's have a look at a couple that we were looking at the other day. Were throwing us a little bit. So the one we did on the board was cos in brackets 2x minus half a pi. Well, in this case, we're going from a cos to a sine. If we think back to our sheet over here, cos to a sine, we need to add half a pi. Okay, so if we're minusing a pi, we want to add half a pi, we'll end up with only half a pi to minus. Let's look at another one. So we're going from a cos to a sine. Again, the only difference between up here is our B value. Nothing has changed with our C value, so it works out exactly the same again. And if we look at our last one, again, cos to sine. In this case, tried to pick a slightly different C value, but again, it doesn't make any difference. Cos to sine, we're still minusing a half of a pi off, so we'll be left with a quarter of a pi. All right, proof, let's have a look. So on our calculator, I've typed in this last one, so minusing 3/4 of a pi, minusing a quarter of a pi, cos to sine. Let's see how we go. And there you go, you can see that they perfectly overlapped. Okay, so you can only see the red one, but the blue one is there behind it.